cigarettes, I toot up the nose. Addicted to the internet, I always buying new clothes. On the road like a lion for the latest of trends. Lying to the ladies, maybe they can get them to bend. Let's not pretend like these ain't society's ills. Try as we may, we can't escape desiring the thrill. But the fire and skill has been instilled in our soul. The man we wanna be is the man we already know.
Yo, one with the spirit, one with the soul, one with the destined plan, only God can know. Nothing can be made if never rising to that challenge. You can hide from your life and you can bury all your talents. It's like they say, nothing ventured, nothing gained. You'll never prosper if you've never known pain. Putting off your life, putting off your plans, discounting your